Let's check some Busch beer schemes in photos and videos taken by my wife or me about Kevin Harvick and Ross Chastain through the years, from 2015 to 2025. Best burnout of the night at Nashville Nascar Awards in 2021. Let's see why.
He's got my name all over his car. I love it. He is a
Just leave it right there. The city will take care of it. Leave it right there. The city will come get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kevin Harvick.
Kevin Harvick. Wow. That's a walk-off.
I think that's a walk-off.
That's a walk-off.
Brad Keselowski, Joey Logano, Ryan Blaney are on the stage.
Stewart Haas Racing, Kevin Harvick's hauler. Photo finish and big one coming on the final Talladega race of Kevin Harvick's career.
Kevin Harvick has done it every savvy to try and hold on and win this one. Right away, he's down even on the outside.
Blaney.
Is drafting help from Riley Hurts. Kevin is drafting help from William Byron. Double wide for about 8 rows, 3 wide closing into the pack. They're mirroring each other for the lead. Side by side.
Olha o corno do Hamilton, já é o quarto da linha de fora. Vai flag! Vai flag! Big Busch! Big Busch! 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 Ryan Blaney! Come on, Harvick! Checker flag! Oh, big one! Ryan Blaney!
Ross Chastain crashing at Rollval at Charlotte, North Carolina. Daniel Suarez and Ross Chastain presentation.
Mi amigo, Daniel Suarez. Your 2025 Coke 600 winner, pilot's #1 for Trackhouse Racing, the Watermelon Man, Ross Chastain.
Kevin Harvick hits the wall on 2018 Coca-Cola 600. Start up and revving at Darlington, South Carolina. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next video.